Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your Wi-Fi name and password directly from your mobile phone, easily and quickly. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network that you want to update. In this example, we are using a Samsung device, but the steps are very similar on most Android and iOS phones. Open your phone's settings and go to the connection section. Tap on Wi-Fi and then tap the gear icon next to the network you're connected to. If you're using a Samsung device, you'll likely see an option called Manage Router. Tap it. If you're using a different phone and don't see this option, don't worry. Just open your browser and type in this IP address, 192.168.1.1. Now you'll be asked to enter a username and password. These are usually printed on a sticker on the back or bottom of your router. In the field for username, type admin or user. In the field for password, type admin, user, or leave it blank. Try a few combinations if needed. Once logged in, the interface may vary depending on your internet provider, but look for a section called Local Network or something similar. From the side menu, choose WLAN or Wi-Fi settings. Now you'll see your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Tap on the active one. Usually it's labeled something like SSID configuration or Wi-Fi settings. Here you can change both the Wi-Fi name and password. Enter the new information and make sure your password is secure. Before applying changes, make sure to update both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks if they're active. If one of them is turned off, you can skip it. Once done, hit Apply or Save. At this point, you'll likely be disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Just go back to your Wi-Fi settings, find your new network name, enter your new password, and reconnect. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Wi-Fi name and password using just your phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.